we're doing a new tool review. We got the pneumatic fluid remover. Basically this, you're able to use this to remove all the oil from the engine to have a faster oil change. So this is a pneumatic and manual fluid extractor. Basically, hook it up, you can remove oil or transmission fluid or even antifreeze from the actual system without having to worry about draining on the floor. So right now everything is assembled. This is the section that goes into the dipstick tube. Just push this all the way down to the bottom. So just basically leave that loose. Just push this all the way down until it stops. Right there it stops. Then you just come over here and pump this up. And there goes the oil. That's it. It's just draining out. All the oil is going into the unit. Afterwards you can just clean it out. So I'm just testing it out because it seemed like a cool idea. I use something like this for work, so I thought it would be fun to try it and get a little cleaner oil change. You can see the air bubbling up right now, so basically it means it's getting towards the very bottom of the oil pan, so all the fluid is coming out. So this is the first time I'm using this for this particular car, so I will be taking off the drain bolt just to make sure everything is out. So I'll show you that and show that everything actually did come out. Show that this will be a safe process for you guys to use in your vehicle. So right now all the fluid were drained out. It just remained us in this line. Just got to drain it into the container. Since it's the first time I'm using this equipment on this car, I'm going to be taking the drain plug out just to show you that all the fluid came out. So this is what came out. This is not even an eighth. I'm sure if I jacked the car up and I had it like this on a lean, I will be able to get everything out. But so far, this is all that came out. Like I said, it's the first time I'm using it on this particular car. So with taking the oil filter out and everything, that's as much oil that was left in there. It looked like about an eighth of a quart, so it's not a lot. And I'm sure once I get better equipped to use the actual extractor, I should be able to get less oil. So this is what happened on the first go around. That's at 90%. It did help me make a little less mess, so that's one plus. I'm not one of those guys that have a steady hand, so I do use my funnel. I hate changing oil, but to do oil change out there at the store is $50 now, so this oil only cost me $21, so I will be doing it by myself. Okay, there you go, 4.5 quarts.